Maya. I hope you had a great week learning. I wanted to show you the bird craft in case you want to try that today. So I actually have, this is actually Isabel's that I'm using as an example. So you can see we cut out our circles and made our little birds. Now, Isabel chose to do a yellow bird and a blue bird, but feel free to mix up those circles. Some friends did birds that have blue bodies and yellow heads. All we did was cut out the circles and glue them kind of like a snowman onto it. Now for our beaks, you're going to cut out that whole triangle and see how there's that dotted line? So you glue just the bottom part on, and then you have a beak that can open and close. My advice for the feathers and our twig part with the yarn, put the glue on the paper. Put the glue on the paper and then stick it on top. That's what Isabel did. That's what we did here at school. We put the glue on the paper and then stuck our feathers and yarn on top. And if you have glue better than a glue stick for the eyes, I would definitely suggest that too. But here's our birds. I'll make sure there's a picture up too so that you can work on this craft. Feel free to bring it back to school if you'd like. These will be hanging up in our classroom all next week. All right, bye Maya.